3, 2, 1.
So this has nothing to do with bands at all, this exercise. It's purely just using your body, really, to create resistance, and leaning against your own weight to do leg extensions. I'm not talking about some Nordic leg extension or anything. It's kind of a weird one, actually. So, got your anchor set up. Some sturdy anchor, some sturdy J-hook handles. And they go through like that, and you will be leaning back against these with your feet forward and your body, your center of gravity, backwards, while you drive your body up and backwards and straighten out your knees at the same time to keep the tension on your quads or your anterior power chain of the lower body. This is essentially what this looks like. So, leaning back. You know that you are doing it wrong if you feel that you stop pushing your backside or your bum too high up into the air instead of driving it backwards and behind you, so that you can keep yourself quite low to the ground and really stretch out your legs. Oof. Oof. And this is one of the most exhausting exercises. 12. Last one. See if we can beat 12. One more. 15. Good job.